my son are rolling, rolling, my son and I's rolling. Him not pay me no mind, we're rolling. Not pay me no mind, you know. Him no see, I saw mama ate that. So happy today. I saw my dad walking on his own without the walker. You know how I feel? I feel so good. And then me call Nadine Sherigay. Yeah. So me, Nadine Sherigay, and my dad on the phone. I felt so good. As I should.
Oh, was this when we was gone? When me and Sarah was gone?
Huh?
Or was this when me and Sarah was gone? Okay.
Yeah, so I take my scissors today.
Can you park at the front? I'm to go run and park at the front?
You can't.
Oh,
You can't park out here, my love.
I forgot.
Take it. Hi guys. So I'm going on the road. And I'm just gonna record as I go along so you can see London at night. So here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy the video. My YouTube channel videos right now is one of my biggest connection with my mother. My mother, she really enjoy watching these videos. You know, she live in Jamaica. She came here in 2002, but she went back home. So yes. We're far away now. And me in the UK, far from each other. Why me I tell you, you know, foreign country and foreign life, it can make you and it can break you. Me not ask, me been through it. It can break up relationship, it can break up friendship, it can break up family life, all sort of something happen when you're there a foreign country, man. And I lie. Me I tell you no, me been there, done that. As I drive along, you know, let's talk. Because we can't just drive so and not talk nothing. We have to talk little things, man. So yes, guys, you know, there's good side and there's bad side to living abroad, as I was saying before. Now, the good side to living abroad is if you get a good job and you're able to make a better standard of living for yourself. And if you have family, you know, back home and you're able to help them out now and then. Mark, you know, we never say you have to take up your money and just send go give people at Jamaica or any other country. I'm saying if you're able to do it, that's a plus. And it also help your family to live a better lifestyle in Jamaica. I'm talking about myself. Now, we live abroad. We're not always feeling like this is home. Sometimes you have a little homesick and you feel like you want to go back home. But, you know, you can't go back home just so, you know. You have to make sure certain things set up. You have to set your foundation and set things straight because you know it already, you know. If you just jump up and just go back home, so, and nothing no set, it no make no sense. So you know what you do? Set up yourself. Make sure everything is okay here and also there. So in the future when you feel like, say, here what? You know, say, I want to go back home, go retire. So, you know, so when you go back home and retire now, you can live there because you set certain things straight. Because some people come a foreign country, you know, then waste their time, you know. And then when things get bad for them can't go back home because they never used to even look at them, no relative back home. And when they go back home, nobody now look upon them because they never used to think about them. Or build a little house, you know what I mean? So that's a foreign country stay, my love. There is good and there is bad. As for me, I just wish I can go home right now, but certain things have to be in place before I go. The other day, my dad catch a stroke I was so sad, but my dad is coming on, and I'm thanking God for what he has done for me and what he is about to do. Open doors for me, oh God, that man think they can shut. Yes, I said it. That man think they can shut. No, my dad is coming on very good. Thanks be to God. He's now walking, and I was so happy when I saw him. So I was saying that earlier in my video that I saw him and I felt so good. Yes. So that's a plus. Yeah, may God continue to bless you, Daddy, if you're watching this video. I know my mom gonna watch it. She always watch my videos. She love watching she love when I record like the historic places, the building, the sightseeing, and like Tower Bridge, London Bridge. She love those videos. And I know she like to see me when I'm looking happy and not looking sad. Sometimes you do feel sad, because you're so far away from your loved ones, them. And especially if you're here by yourself. It's just me and my son, so you know it go. I have to make myself happy, and I have to create my own lifestyle. So I can come out this foreign country myself and come farm full of myself. So, Mommy, I know you're watching this video, and I know you're very proud of me. And I would like to say, I love you. And Dad, I love you too. And I can't wait to see you guys. So sit back and relax and enjoy my video.
Driver's tired. Say you tired, fixing my face. Can't get me out of the race.
Now from you hear my accent, you know say I'm from the beautiful country of Jamaica. Yes, my love, I'm a Jamaican living in the UK. People, right now, I wish everybody had the opportunity to get a visa. Especially my mother and father right now. Because if I can't go, they will be able to come. But now, British High Commission don't work like that, my love. When you apply for the little visa, them have to go on with themselves first. And if them decide they want to give you, they give you. Me can tell you, it doesn't matter if you have money, house, car and land. It's up to them if them want to give it to you. That's how them roll. But it would be so good if my mom and dad was able to get a visa to at least come and visit me right now. I would be the happiest person in the world. But it doesn't work like that, and that's just part of life. Soon and very soon, I will have to do a Q&A video where people gonna ask me question and I'm gonna have to answer, because I am from the beautiful country of Jamaica. And I know I keep saying the beautiful country of Jamaica. So I know say, somehow I go say, so what she's doing in the UK then, if Jamaica is such a beautiful country as she's saying? Well, as for me, I'm in the UK trying to make a better life for myself and my son, and trying to set a foundation where I will be comfortable in the future, when time for retire. That's what I'm doing. But don't get it twisted. When it's time, I will reveal everything in one video, and you will get the opportunity to know a bit more about Alicia Christopher. But for now, sit back and relax and enjoy my video. Have you subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Click the subscription and also click the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video, you'll be first to see what's going on with me. My video is coming to an end. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.